Hey everyone, welcome to our video, how to make a vacuum cleaner from scratch. Are you tired of spending a fortune on expensive vacuum cleaners? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating your very own homemade vacuum cleaner that is not only cost-effective, but also highly effective at cleaning. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we dive into the step-by-step instructions, let's take a look at the materials you will need for this project. The great thing about this vacuum cleaner is that most of the materials can be found around your home, making it a budget-friendly option. So, gather these items, and let's get started. Assembling the main body. The first step is to assemble the main body of our homemade vacuum cleaner. Start by taking a sturdy plastic container and make a hole in the center of the lid. This will serve as the entry point for the dust and debris. Next, attach a flexible plastic tube to the hole in the lid. This will act as the suction hose. You can use a hot glue gun to secure it in place. Make sure the tube is long enough to reach all areas you want to clean. You can adjust the length according to your preference, creating the airflow. Now that we have the main body ready, let's focus on creating the airflow that will power our vacuum cleaner. Take a small electric motor and attach it to the side of the container using screws. This motor will generate the suction power needed to pick up dust and debris. Connect the motor to a power source, such as a battery pack or a power adapter, depending on the voltage requirements of the motor. To ensure efficient airflow, you can attach a fan blade to the motor's shaft. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.